Yo, check your belts because that is just ridiculous. So this is a 2009 Honda Accord 2.4 liter engine, and we had yes, that's what we have. Um, so usually this is a sign for a loose pulley or something that plays around like wobbles and then rips off the belt and creates this. You can see. Check that out. On the inside is, let me get here on the light. Look at that. And that belt's been there for a while. You can see there are rocks and other stuff around. So especially if you don't run with the what's it called, skid plate on the engine, underneath the engine, this can happen very often. Actually, I'm surprised that didn't snap, but hey, it's all right. So we just got the new one right here. I got it from the local parts store. If you wonder what to do that, how to do that, it's gonna be this guy right down there. This is your tensioner. Just grab in this case, it's a 14 millimeter socket. Just release the tension, take the belt off. Remember how these guys stay over there and how the belt is routed around the pulleys, and then put the new belt in the same way, the same way that the old one was on, and just push the tension back in, put the belt in place and release the tensioner, and you're good to go. I'm using a pipe for longer leverage, so hear that? That could be the bearing of the power steering pump, but I'll test that once I start the car. I have a thing that I can hear the bearing, so we'll see if that one. Check all the pulleys just to make sure nothing is loose or doesn't have any bearings that are gone and needs to be replaced. And pretty much that's it. Just a reminder that do your maintenance regularly and check your car while you're driving, because this is not a bad thing, since the timing is actually a chain. It's not a belt. On the V6 on these cars is a belt, but on the 2.4 liter it's chain. So we don't really damage the engine if we let that snap, but then your power steering pump will go off, your battery will die because the alternator won't be able to charge the battery, and there's tons of other things that can go wrong. So yeah, try to keep your maintenance on time and check those stuff. That's pretty much it. Just a friendly reminder though, that's all. Just so you know how a bad pulley or bearing looks like, just listen to that one. So that tensioner, needs to go. And I'll put the belt, since I don't drive the car that much. I'll put the belt on and we'll replace that pulley, that tensioner pretty soon, probably next week or something. So hopefully I can make a video of that, because there's not much space over there. I might have to kind of put the power steering pump on the side so I can have a better reach down there, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll try to do a video of that, see how it goes. But for now, I'm just gonna replace the belt, and we'll leave the car here in the parking lot just the way it is. Yep. All right, we'll keep you posted.